Let us see what is a sitemap. The name itself tells sitemap is a map of your website. Simply put, a sitemap acts as a blueprint of your website. It provides search engine like Google with a clear overview of all the pages on your site and how they are interconnected. For example, it tells Google, hey, my site has 20 pages and here's how you can move from one page to another. Although it doesn't resemble a physical map, it serves as a navigational tool for search engines to better understand your site structure. Now, how can you create a sitemap and link it to your website's property? There are several methods depending on the platform you are using. If you are working with WordPress, the RankMath plugin settings, it is easy to generate sitemap automatically. For other platform, you can search for instructions specific to your service, but the steps may vary. Here's how to do it with RankMath. Go to the RankMath plugin settings, open the feature sections, scroll down to sitemap settings. You will find a note that says your sitemap index can be found here, https bloomingtutorial.com sitemapindex.xml. Okay, so once you click, it will take you to the sitemap page where you will see the sitemap URL at the top. So copy the URL. To submit your site to Google Search Console, navigate to the index section. Under index, click sitemaps. You can see you can paste the copied sitemap URL here and click submit. That's it. Google will now check your sitemap regularly to update its index. If you add or modify pages on your site, the changes will be automatically reflected in the sitemap. Okay, so ensuring your site's latest content is included in search result. For example, I recently updated my website 10 days ago. So the new pages appeared in the sitemap were indexed by Google. You can also use a similar process to submit your sitemap to other search engines like Bing or Yahoo, helping them index your site effectively.